Hi friends! Today I want to take you on a small journey into one of the most colorful and delicate arts of Iran. This beautiful handmade tradition has been passed from one generation to the next, created with patience, love, and thousands of tiny stitches and beads. Stay with me until the end of the video because there is a hidden secret in this craft that I will reveal only at the end. This type of embroidery and brickwork is not just decoration. For many artists in Iran, it's a way of expressing stories, memories, and emotions. Every color choice has a feeling behind it. Every pattern carries a piece of culture. You can imagine how much time it takes to complete even a small piece. Hours turn into days, and days sometimes turn into weeks. The artists sit with gentle focus, often in quiet homes or small workshops, like here, letting the design slowly come to life. It's almost like meditation. Their hands move automatically, but their hearts stay fully involved. In many parts of Iran, especially in a small village, this craft is still a part of daily life. Women often learn it from their mothers and grandmothers. It becomes a family tradition, sometimes that connects generations together. And when a piece is finished, it's more than just fabric. It's a memory, a cultural treasure, and a piece of identity. As you keep watching, notice how the light shines on each bead. Notice how many colors are combined in just one small tower. These little are what make Iranian handcrafts truly special. Like the Barbary on this bag or pistachio in this fabric, you can see. Many people think these designs are planned perfectly from the beginning, but in reality, some of the most beautiful parts are created spontaneously. The artist often follows her imagination in the moment. She adds a bead here, change a color there, and lets the artwork surprise even herself. Like this wheat that is so good color and a round of the fabric is very interesting. If you enjoy discovering hidden parts of Iranian culture like this, stay with me. This channel, there are so many more stories to share. Okay, now as I promise, I will show you another kinds of embroidering like saffron flower in southern Khorasan and in our city Qainat. You can see the seed in this fabric and also pomegranate, a bag with pomegranate like this. It's so beautiful. And also some clothes that is weaved by the artist. Here is some clothes that are very beautiful. This sleeves is also made with the artists with these threads. And also wall sconces like these, that is so beautiful on the wall, you can see. Now you will see cutting the fabrics on the ground because it's so big and it's an order from their customer in many numbers in this workshop. Yeah, they cut it, their orders on the ground carefully. All these handicrafts is made by the weaver or by artists in Iran. And now I'm ready to clarify the secrets that I promised you at the first of the video. A secret for the some designs in a kind of fabrics. And my colleague explained for you, but I translated into English for you. Friends, now today join us as we explore another treasure of Iranian handicrafts from southern Khorasan province in the city of Qaim. This beautiful handmade piece has a history of nearly 200 years, and it is known as the sofra-yardi or floor clothes. Many years ago, this sofra was spread on the ground while baking bread. a large wooden bowl called tagar filled with dough was placed at its center. After kneading finished, the sofre was folded up from all four sides over the bowl. Its thick, warm fabric helped the dough rise faster and become ready for baking. That is why it comes to known as a floor cloth. Today, since baking bread at the home has become less common, we work to preserve the sofre's usage while giving it new uses. People now enjoy it as a decorative table cover, a Yalda night spread, a half cloth, or simply a cultural piece in their home. Yet the true magic lies in the pattern woven into it. Every design you see is born from the weaver's imagination and shaped by the ancient Iranian customs and traditions. And now I want to explain for you the designs of these floor clothes for you. Get along with me. Okay, at the center of the sofre lies the symbol of existence. Around it, the four directions north, south, east, and west are represented. The diamonds and lines woven around the edges each hold meaning. The diamond symbolizes people, and the connecting lines represent unity and togetherness, all joining at a single point. The weaver has captured the idea of unity with their remarkable beauty. Sofra ardi is more than a functional textile. It carries the rhythm of Iranian life. Every pattern woven into with ritual of old moments. Another detail is background design, sometimes messy, sometimes simple, and this empty space reflects the desert landscape of our region and its shortage of water. The mountain-like lines woven around the sofre represent the mountain surrounding the village of southern Khorasan and especially Qaen. Every design in these hand-woven pieces carries this level of meaning and detail, adding to the deep cultural value of Iranian handicrafts. These sofre continue to embody heritage and keeping our tradition.